2025 Lexus ES is coming, and it's bringing a whole new vibe. Think sleek design and fancy features inside. The 2025 Lexus ES is getting a major makeover, according to reports from Automotive News. While we don't have all the details yet, it seems like the exterior will keep its distinctive spindle grille, but with a more daring design compared to the current model. Front-wheel drive will likely remain standard, with the option for all-wheel drive. As for when you can get your hands on one and how much it'll cost, Lexus hasn't said yet. But expect the 2025 ES to hit dealerships next year, with a slightly higher price tag than the current model. Stepping inside the 2025 E, you'll be greeted by a luxurious and spacious interior, a Lexus hallmark. The brand is renowned for its meticulous craftsmanship and use of high-quality materials, and the 2025 ES is sure to take things to the next level. Concrete details about the 2025 Lexus ES powertrain are unavailable, but experts speculate it will carry over the current options with some potential refinements. The base model might retain the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering a smooth and efficient driving experience. A hybrid option with a powerful electric motor is a strong possibility, catering to eco-conscious drivers who don't want to compromise on performance.